Hello everybody, this is Bee from Mama Bee's Kitchen. I hope you are having a great day. Today on Mama Bee's menu, we are making beef liver. Beef liver is perhaps the most nutritious and healthy meat you can eat, and cooked right is delicious. So this recipe, guys, is super flavorful and easy to make. So let's get right into the ingredients. You will need beef liver, onions. I slice them into rings. You'll also need cayenne pepper, black pepper, and salt. So let's get started. You know Mama Bee doesn't like to waste time. Heat up a skillet with oil on a medium heat. Once it gets nice and hot, throw in your onions. Saute until translucent and fragrant. Next, we're gonna add our liver. Mind you guys, this liver has been washed and cut in manageable sizes. Now we're gonna go ahead and season our liver with salt, black pepper, and cayenne pepper. This recipe is super fast and super easy, guys. One thing you have to keep in mind, do not overcook your liver. This beef liver is super flavorful and easy to make. Plus, it's a fabulous alternative to your usual dinner rotation, and it's budget friendly, guys. So I remember during my entire childhood, at least once a month, my mother would serve us liver and onions for lunch. And those memories, they never go away, guys. So if I'm craving for liver, I just go to the Mexican stores because they sell fresh liver. I love fresh liver than frozen. So if you enjoyed this video, guys, please give it a thumbs up. If you are new to my channel, welcome to Mama Bee's Kitchen. Please subscribe and don't forget to hit that notification bell. Share this video with your friends and your family. Until next time, guys, bye. Honey for my heart.